Yeah, everything's getting more expensive.
Yeah.
Machinery, it's all big.
Yeah.
Than when we first started here.
So I've a couple of quick questions for you now before we finish up, right? In all your years of farming, what was your favorite tractor?
My favorite tractor?
Yeah.
International.
International,
Yeah.
full stop. Any particular model?
Oh, I don't know. I love the H's. They
The
were
H's?
good.
All right. All right.
Very sorry, the first tractor we bought, we looked at two, the Massey Ferguson, the Massey 30.
Yeah, I saw a Massey Ferguson in the shed there, yeah.
And Farmall H.
Farm, okay.
That were the going tractors at the time
Yeah,
we bought our first tractor.
Yeah.